Hello, everyone. This is your girl, Anisha from Canva Social Media Designs for Women in Business. Now, when I go into Canva, right, Canva is just mind blowing, just straight up mind blowing. I mean, over the last couple of weeks, they have been doing some really tremendous updates. And I guess this is just another one of them that I'm going to be sharing with you right now. Now, usually when I go into Canva, I know exactly where I'm going because I know what I want to do. I have templates that I have created that I use over and over. So today I went to create a design and noticed that there was this nice little button here that says import PDF. It's currently in beta. Now, so because it's in beta, there may be some glitches and stuff. So when you try it, please expect that it won't be perfect, right? So I'm like, wow. I mean, people have been asking about how can you import PDFs to Canva, which was not an option before, at least a couple weeks ago. So this is really, really cool. So of course, your girl had to try it, right? So I clicked on it and I downloaded something I created in Canva. So I'm going to bring it back in as a PDF file. So I'm going to click on that. And it takes a moment to, I guess, configure the file, change it up into what PNG or maybe a JPEG version or something that can be edited in Canva. So let's see. Okay, good. Now, this is my summer bucket list that I created for my community. I will be dropping the link in the comments so you can have access to it. It is a free opt-in. So yeah, you can definitely get it when we're done. So everything here were different elements. So this was a background that I got in Canva, and these were just boxes that I changed to different colors, and of course the text. So I'm seeing that the text here is separated, which is cool. I'm not sure if it's okay. So it seems like it's a picture file that it was converted to. So you can't edit the text. Then you have this here, another text box, and it broke these up into smaller bits. All right. So let's move this and see. Okay, so this was a full background. Everything was one. I'm noticing now that some elements are separated, which, like I say, is expected because it's still in beta. They're still testing it out. So that's okay, right? And this was a text box by itself as well. And these boxes, they can't be accessed. This can be moved, which is cool. And let's see. The background is the same as previously. So, I mean, that's just really cool. And the background moves with the squares, well, the rectangles that are in. So that is something else. Now, I believe different files, you may be able to move around different things. So this is just the way that it converted. The lines seem to have broken back into individual lines. Yes. So this is just really cool because I can't think of another platform besides the PDF converter platforms that actually allows you to upload a PDF document into a platform, and you can make changes. In this case, probably minor changes, but it's changes nevertheless. So I just wanted to come in and share that with you. And you know what I say, get creative in Canva. You have to try different things, see what works, see what you like, see what this does and what that does, so you can get more familiar and more comfortable with using the platform. Canva has some great updates coming, and as they roll out, I will be sure to share that with you. So come on now, get creative in Canva, and let's do this. See you in the next one.